Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go through my favorite and only Amazon tool that I recommend in this space, which is Sellerboard. It's the all-in-one tool. Now, what's this tool got? It is profit tracking at a really affordable price. You can do now keyword research on this tool. You can do reimbursements from Amazon and a load more stuff, tracking the net worth of your business, everything like that, guys. There is no other tutorial on YouTube that's as in-depth as this. This is updated from the 10th of August 2026 with every single one of Sellerboard's new features. At any time, if you want to skip through this and just go ahead and get the 2-month free trial only on my link below, go to the first pinned comment or in the description there and get the 2-month free trial. If you also want to check out the demo before you go ahead, the demo page I'm showing you now, you can access for yourself on that link as well, guys. So if you don't want to sign up now, get the link, save it for later, because you get 2 months free and it would just be silly not to. And there's no credit card required whatsoever, no commitment. You can just cancel at the end of it if you want, guys, but you're probably not going to want to because it's a phenomenal tool. It's about £14 a month after. I'm going to also put some timestamps on this video. So if there's just things you want to get into like keyword research, search terms, profit tracking, figuring out the net worth of your business, whatever it is, you'll see the timestamps below for that, guys. So without further ado, let's dive straight into this 2026 full tutorial of my favorite tool for Amazon sellers, Sellerboard. Guys, we're inside the tool. I love doing these tutorials, absolutely love it. Right. This is the first page that you guys are going to see when you sign up. Okay, I'm in the demo account here. I said you can get that demo account on that link below. You don't even have to sign up to get into this same software tool outlook that I'm in right now, guys. And the first thing you'll see is all of these tiles up here, and then you will see all of the stuff that we can go through on the left. I'm going to do my absolute best to go through every single one of these. So get a coffee, get a tea, get an energy drink, whatever you're into, sit down and let's go through all of this, guys. But the main thing that this tool is best for is the actual profit tracking, guys. So stay with me right now. You can look at this in whichever way you want. You can look at it in a tile view, a chart view, get your profit and loss up, your map, your trends, all this type of thing, guys. But 99% of people, including myself, for years, have looked at this on the tile view, guys, just like this. Okay, this is how I would recommend you do it. All of these tiles represent, as you can see, today, yesterday, month to date, this month, forecast, and then last month. The main thing that you're going to be looking at is probably last month and the month to date. That's what I do anyway. But at any point, especially if you're preparing for, let's say, Q4 and you want to look at last month's Q4 to see how many units you've sold, you could actually do a custom range here and you can type in whatever date you want. So if we did custom range of, let's say, June 1st to July 31st, you can do that, click filter, and it will just show you that custom range for that time. Not only will it show you the overall profit, but if you click on any of the tiles, the more section here, it will show you a breakdown of all of your shipping costs, your Amazon fees, your cost of goods, indirect expenses, right? So at any time, if you log on and go, oh, why haven't I made profit today? Or why is my profit down or up from last month, this month, today, forecast, whatever, it will give you a breakdown, guys, and show you everything. Not only does it show you that, it shows you an even further breakdown if you click into every single one of these lines. For example, FBA fulfillment fee, referral fee, subscription. If we close that one and open advertising, it will show if it's sponsored products, sponsored brand, sponsored display, right? Cost of goods, it will show us if it's, lost, damaged by Amazon, cost of goods sold. It literally breaks down everything. And then down here, it will show you your overall margin, sellable returns, everything. As you can see, guys, it doesn't just show you that by the tiles and the refunds and everything like that. It actually shows you per product. And this is really, really handy when it comes to, as I say, planning for Q4, planning for Easter, whatever seasonal trend works for your business. you can go ahead and look directly here, right? How many units did I sell? Can I sell more than that this year or less? You get the point, guys. How many refunds am I getting? Is it too many? Right, look at the overall ROI. And then the breakdown I just showed you also per product, guys. I'll get my massive head out of the way there. It shows you per product here as well, guys. And again, you can break it down per line of whatever breakdown it's showing. It breaks it down even further if you click on that individual line, guys, whether that's refunds, amortization fees, etc. This is the best software on the market, without a doubt, in my opinion, and all my experience, my 7-8 years selling, for profit tracking. Now, if we click that filter, go back to the original view, this is your day-to-day thing. The forecast is remarkably accurate, unless you're going into like a crazy seasonal peak that obviously the software doesn't know about, but it's constantly collecting data and giving you a forecast, which is quite nice for you to look at, guys. Let's go on to the next section. The next section is the product page here, guys. And what the product page here does is it breaks down exactly per product all of your cost of goods. You can add your cost of goods, whether it's FBA, FBM, etc. Add your cost of good price. But let's say your supplier gets you a better cost of good for a certain batch of products. You can literally do this, guys. You can go like that. You can click the start date, end date, and then put the cost of goods, and it will override any other cost of goods for that specific batch. It's not showing you on the demo, but there's also another way to measure the cost of goods Sellerboard has done, because there's loads of new features. Not all of them are on this demo, guys. Go get the free trial and do the demo below for you to see every single feature, by the way. It's called FIFO, first in, first out, right? And that gives you the ability, rather than putting it in per batch, the cost of good, or per single unit, actually gives you the ability to put a certain quantity of, say, let's say it's 80p per unit for the next 1,000. You can put that in, and then once that's sold out, it will revert back to the original cost of good. And that's called FIFO, first in, first out. So it's not giving me the ability to show you that here, but that's another option as well, okay? So we've got this, and then it shows you the profit per unit. Now, this profit per unit actually includes the total advertising cost as well, if you've got that connected to your Sellerboard account from your Amazon, guys. Just to bear that in mind, okay? We've got the shipping cost here, guys. I don't really use much on the shipping profiles, okay? I don't use much here, but yeah, whether you have color boxes, brown boxes, whatever, you can just put that all in there, guys. Indirect expenses. Now, what this does is allows you to put accounting costs, Google costs. I'm not going to teach you how to suck egg, guys. You understand what this is. Photography, any ad hoc costs. And these costs will come off the dashboard there. Okay, so let's say you have your accountant coming out on the 10th of July. On the 10th of July, when you log into your account, that will be deducted from the main profit tracking system tiles there. Okay, guys? What this does is saves you having to have a spreadsheet every single month, guys. And by the way, guys, it's around about £14 a month, pay monthly, I believe, this software, on a monthly basis after the free trial. So it's really affordable, by the way, guys. But the link below will have a breakdown of how much it's going to be after the 2-month free trial, of course. By the way, I'm going to show you at the end of this pretty much why this tool pays for itself. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's look at the variable expenses. So there's also variable expenses that come out here. So additional commission, advertising agency, stuff like that, the start date, the end date. You can put additional variable expenses in here as well, rather than just indirect expenses. Now, the search terms section here, this is a very interesting new section that Sellerboard's added, right? And there's actually, again, the demo is not fully updated, guys. But when you get the 2-month free trial, you will see for yourself that you can actually do keyword research on this tool as well. So I'm going to show you search terms here. And what that does is allows us to see your best converting keywords, right, for every single product. So you can see the ACE in here, and it is literally showing you the most search volume and where you're converting best for which search term. So this is a bit of a keyword research tool as well, guys. Cardboard paper box, brown natural packaging. It's showing you the amount of impressions that you are getting per there, okay? Showing you the amount of impressions. You can click on the volume section there, and it's also showing you the amount of volume, right? The amount of volume on every single one of these searches, okay? Lunchbox, carton box, black box. It's telling you the main keywords which are best for every single product that you've got. As I was saying, when you're not on the demo, when you actually sign up to this, there's another section, a keyword research section on this tool, okay? So if you're a new seller or if you're not really a fan of paying for keyword research tools, I won't mention any here, it's got a keyword research section on Sellerboard as well. So it's well worth signing up just to try that out, guys, on the free trial. We don't use LTV at the moment. Cashflow, again, you might use this more than me. Personally, I don't use it that much, but it forecasts your cash flow, guys, which is quite cool. Okay, so you can do forecasting there. The reports section there, you can download. If you're a bit of a spreadsheet nerd, like a lot of people are, you can download spreadsheets for every single one, guys. Every single one of your search terms here. PPC section here. The PPC section will show you an overview of all of your PPC sales, your cost of goods, your expenses, your ACOS, everything like that. It'll also show you down here every single campaign. It's an automation log as well, guys. So look, I own an Amazon advertising agency. I wouldn't replace, it with this. But if you're not at a stage where you can afford that or you don't know anything about PPC, when you're a newbie, you can put this in here and it will start automating your PPC. So as you can see, bid increase from 17p in order to optimize ACOS from 57% to 46%. So it will start automating it a little bit for you if you put prompts in there, guys. So that's pretty cool as well. We're coming on to some of the most amazing parts of the tool, in my opinion. Okay. This is a stock worth, a stock value of your business. You can see here, it shows you the total units, the cost of goods of your products, the potential profit and the potential sales. So although this potential sales is great and the potential profit is great because you can see how much potentially you might make, which is exciting, the main thing this gives us is the total FBA stock here, ordered stock there, which you can input into the system on the purchased orders tab there. That's fine. And then also the actual prep stock that you've got there in your warehouse or whatever. You can input this data, or if you just run an Amazon FBA business, it can just count all of the stock from your FBA and you don't have to bother putting your warehouse stuff in there if you don't want to. But this tells you the total units that you've got and the total cost of good, which means that you can have a value. In e-commerce, anyone that understands the space knows it's really tricky because it's really hard for you to understand where all your money's going, because it feels like you're constantly spending on stock, which is what you should do to grow. What you want is anywhere that just shows you how much value, how much cost of good, purchase cost of good you've got in your business. And that's exactly what Sellerboard does. It shows you the cost of good, so you haven't just spent all your money and then you wonder where your money's gone and your business is failing. It shows you the net worth, stock value net worth of your business. So that's a really important thing. We've got the FBA shipment section here, guys, as well. And this is pretty cool because it tells you if there's issues with your shipment, how many units have received, rather than you messing around. You can click the suppliers section here and enter all of your suppliers to keep a log of them. You've got the auto responder here, which I don't really use that much, but you can dig into. Down here, you've got the eBay, Shopify, QuickBooks. You can connect Sellerboard to that. But here is one of the most important perks of having Sellerboard, where I said it pretty much pays for itself, and that is the estimated reimbursement amount and how you can claim back using Sellerboard. So at any time, this will give you an updated value of what you should be claiming back from Amazon, and then you literally just follow these steps down here, download the reports, contact with the template seller support, copy that, go to Sellerboard, go to Seller Central, paste it, and they will start reimbursing you money that's owed. So this software for all you new sellers is it's for lost and damaged, returns, FBA fee changes, and reimbursement gaps is the new feature they've just added as of late 2025, early 2026, I believe. And this is where Amazon reimburses you if you paid less than your cost of goods. Okay, so you can start on a monthly, free monthly basis, or get your VAs to do this that you hire, you need to start sending all these reports to Amazon. This tool more than pays for itself because it's chasing Amazon reimbursements back. Okay. Guys, apart from all the settings and stuff like that, that's the overview of Sellerboard. I hope you've enjoyed that. Get the 2-month free trial below whilst it still lasts. I don't know how much longer they're going to do that. Save it if you haven't got it already to use it in future.